You remember when we interviewed the girls them? Them say she lead them, which part them get take away.
But that was a major trafficking ring. You think she that involved in something like that?
Tony, do the maths. She was involved with Yankee. Yankee involved with Tony. Tony, who is now being investigated for one of the biggest human trafficking ring. Who to tell? She might be involved with Tony too.
I need to sit down. I need them feel weak.
T, I know it's hard, but you have to do your own investigation. This is your assignment. You have to put on your big girl panties now. We are law enforcers and we have to do our job.
I gotta deal with it, Bubbles. I can't come for me.
You know, say every step of the way I go guide you. So you don't have to worry. Alright?
He's a major.
That's savage.
Aye. Look at you. Aye.
Fancy meeting you here.
Yeah, man. Many times we roll in the same circles. Oh,
We do?
yeah, man. As a matter of fact, many times I frequent over, so, you know.
Road. I don't know where you get the information from, but I'm really just here to pick up something, alright? So,
No, man, don't worry hard, man. Don't worry hard. I really hate to talk to her.
really?
Yes.
But why?
Let's talk about us. Come, man. Yeah, man. No stage right. All right, get comfortable. Yes. Look again. Yes. You are the man. We're going to take over the agency. And that is a major thing.
I never know that the great Raymond Savage had a sense of humor.
And I didn't know that you were such a funny man.
You're right. I'm about to become the head of the agency and I'm about to put your boss into retirement, which is somewhere I should have gone a long time.
My boss? You know, boss. I want to tell you something. You are the right man for the throne. Then, you don't know that I'm on indefinite suspension. I tell you something else. As soon as I'm off suspension, I will be your right-hand man.
Well, I'm not looking for a right-hand man just yet. But I'll take it into consideration.
When I want to consider it, and need you to consider it. And by the way, you see this next one here. Fee right-hand in so-called daughter Angela Brissett. Let me tell you something. B1, don't take your eye off her at all.
Really? What you say?
What I say? You know that drink. Take a sip. But wait till this up. You hear about this kidnapping, right?
Yes.
Well, let me tell you something. She is at the heart of it.
You serious? Say, tell me, you have information that can tie her to this thing?
What you talk about? If you have information, man, me have more file and machete tools. Never whole cabinet full. And I want to tell you, you talk about hiring. Me have so much rope, reels, string her up, hang her up alive.
Seems, Mr. Savage, that you could make a worthy right hand for you.
Unless
Tell you what, I'm going to a meeting in short order with Miss Brissett, but after that meeting, I want to have a meeting with you off the record. So, we can tie this thing up and discuss the future of this agency.
I'll be right here at the door waiting as soon as the meeting done. Mr. Majors, the bar. All right. You say you're here to get some food?
I said something, but food might be a part of it.
As you were.
All right.
I see you
We will talk.
later.
We will.
Yes, man.